Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in here. Today I'm wearing a little bit of a stronger mask, so hopefully the mask won't drop down as many as before. So today is Chongyuan Festival Day and is grave sweeping. So I am into grave sweeping today in Fanling. So there will be this MTR journey and later on there will be 2 bus journeys. So remember to go subscribe to the bus channel if you guys have not done that. And so according to the caption, that is I think before grave sweeping, so so we'll take first class today. The next one is an R train, so we're gonna take the 9-car first class today from Mong Kok East to Fanling. Here you go. Train is coming in. Wait for the announcement. You guys missed the Lo Wu announcement. The next train is for Lo Wu. Hopefully the train comes in very soon. I don't know, but maybe. There are actually quite a lot of MRRs today compared with R trains, but the next 4 trains are all R trains, so very nice. Where's the train? I know always the train comes in a little bit slowly in Mong Kok East. 羅湖嘅9卡列車即將到達。 請勿超越黃線，上車時請小心月台空隙。前往羅湖的9節車廂的列車即將到達，請不要超越黃線。上車的時候請小心月台的空隙。A 9-car train to Lo Wu is arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line and mind the gap when boarding. Here's the R train. What's the number of this train? There are a lot of people actually going to grave sweeping today, including going to Lo Wu. Number is 1012. Alright. At the F011 car over here because it's first class, so with the number F011. Here we go. I have taken an R train first class, but not filmed one, so. Now, if you want to take first class, it's actually more comfortable to take an MRR because the R train doors, the R trains first class are actually not that great. So we'll for sure be sitting down. We're not going to be standing up. So here we go. Let's just go to the back. But the door opens here now. No seats here, so just gonna go to the back.
Please stand back from the train door.
Wow, these things sucks. Let's find another spot. Like this one. Sure. And it says Lo Wu on the map. Now honestly, the R train first class is very uncomfortable. The seats, they're just like hardboard. Or they're cushion seats, but not as great as the MRRs.
厢与月台地面的高低。Please mind the gap and be aware of the difference in levels between the train and the platform.
Now later on, this grave sweeping is not really just me going to grave sweeping, it's with my aunt and also my dad. So that's why we'll be later on for the bus journeys. They were not gonna film. They were not gonna be in the video, but they will be with me. So.
请勿靠近車門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
More our trains. Because actually when I go over to Mong Kok East to have lunch today, all the trains are MTR. So that's why I'm actually a little bit worried whether I can get an R-Train for this first class journey. But the more worrisome things, the more worried one. But the things that worries me the most is whether there are the bus routes that I want to film today, because those two again are best special routes for grave sweeping for KMBs, and I checked the KMB apps and both of them says no scheduled departure. So now that's a little bit more of a concern. I can actually go and check the app right now to whether we can have the buses right now, because it is noon. I need to get into Fanling in 30 minutes, so should be able to get there. Let me check the buses real fast. I'm just worried whether there are no service. Okay, it still says no scheduled departure, so I don't really know what's going on right now. No scheduled departure. 70S. No scheduled departure. Wow. No, I don't know that one. Rip. But there are a lot of people going to Shek, so that's why we should get some buses out. If not, everyone's to walk up the cliff, and that's just dreadful. Please mind the gap. So I don't know why these people are actually standing in the first class. There's like no point of standing in the first class because if you pay first class, of course you want to enjoy the seats here. So there are still seats in here. Why they're standing? I don't know. That also kind of sucks because it affects my filming. There are no seat back there. That's the not in service door, but that should be fine. This is kind of awkward. Let's just do it here.
Please stand back from the train door.
Wow, a dead panel. How come? Next station, Shatin. How come there's a dead panel over here? Wow. Unbelievable.
doors.
Now actually this one is a backward seat. This was actually a backward seat because it's actually towards that way. But just to film properly and closest to the door, I do it this way.
下一站火炭，有邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站火炭，右邊的車門將會打開。
Next station, Fotan. Doors will open on the right. All I really want to take right now is an R-Train going to race course. I've never taken one. One time I missed one, which is kind of complete bullshit that I missed that one, but that's totally fine. Later on for sure we'll have a chance to take that one. Yeah, this one is a low R-Train, so. It's just weird that the panel died on this side, but not on this side. Honestly, I think it's so dumb that why they don't open both of the doors. But according to Chris, when it extends across the harbor, this door will be used, so. Oh my gosh, why is it taking so long to depart? What the hell? Why is it taking so long to close the doors here? It's still not even closing yet. Another MRR on the outside. What the actual hell? Wow. Oh, you gotta be joking me.本班列車將稍為延遲，不便之處敬請原諒。笨。笨。You originally have a delay for this train, but apparently they just, as soon as it sets halfway, it just stops. gosh, there are two kids. There are two children actually back here, and they're screaming randomly sometimes. Stupid kids. Please 请小心空隙，并留意车厢与月台地面的高低。Please mind the gap and be aware of the difference in levels between the train and the platform. More MRRs. And don't tell me there's another delay. If there's another delay, I will be pissed. Sorry, I'm actually singing a song on my own, so my other hobbies is singing and magic. If you guys have followed my Instagram, you should see there should be a magic account. So remember, also go and follow that one. Just the Magic HK. I haven't posted anything on that magic account for a while now because I'm kind of out of ideas and I didn't pick up magic for a while now. But I do enjoy doing magic, so remember to go follow everything in the Instagram and subscribe to all of my channels. Yeah, and also my third hobby is singing. So. Switch sides. Again, the section is always need to slow down. Before, for actually a few times, I have never experienced a slowdown here, but suddenly today again there's no slowdown. It should speed back up very soon. You should be able to see, I think, Mount Shan on the other side because it's just there. But we passed through the what's that thing called? I really don't know the Tolo Gong in English. We almost passed through, and across should be actually it's not Mount Shan anymore. Definitely past Mount Shan. But yeah, I don't know how to call that Tolo Gong Gong Lo in English, but later on I will take a bus back out to the city. That one will pass through Tolo Gong Gong Lo, but just don't know how to call that in English. Let's just check it out. Just Google Map and check out the name. Tolo Highway. Apparently that's just how it calls it. Wow. This is quite lame. Tolo Highway. Alright. Where is this? Oh, sorry, Fanling. Not there. But it's apparently just called Tolo Highway. That's pretty funny actually. And Taipo Market. This is quite a long journey because East Rail Line are, of course, you guys know, a very long line. Actually, not a long line, but it needs quite a long traveling time. What's the time right now? I want to check. Almost time. Door doesn't open here. Go over to the other side. Wow. I'm taking first class.
Please stand back from the train door.
Right, switch back to the other side. Hi, Taiwan. 下一站太和. Next station, Taiwan. And we get off at Fanling. And more contents will be today on the bus channel, so remember to subscribe. Now, someone actually commented yesterday a lot of things. Actually, just one person commented a lot about why I don't upload every day. And the answer is, when have I ever uploaded every day? The answer is, I never upload every day. Of course, I can't go film every day, but of course, you guys won't be expecting videos every single day. Not like Chris. Chris do his system as the scheduled time upload, so that's why he scheduled a new video every single day. But usually I just film them one day and upload them that same day. So for MTR, I mostly film on Monday. So that's why I'll be uploading on Monday. Unless on Monday I don't have time to upload, and I'll upload on Tuesday. Then their description down below will said I filmed on a whatever day. But mostly MTR is Mondays. Bus will be Tuesday or Thursday. Wednesday is I have stuff to do. So, and then Friday is also free. So basically only 2 days for upload on both channels. But not like today, because today's a special day, so that's why I do extra filmings today. Can I go back into the front there? There's another MRR over there. And for this last section, I might just stand up and do it. Alright, Taiwo, wait for the train to leave. That door actually closes quite hard. Later on, I actually might go through to the other car and exit because I tried to go through that funny sliding door over there. So I might go over to the other car to get off. There are a lot of bus routes, normal bus routes here in Taipo. So later on, we'll feature those on the bus channel. Fanling. Now, actually, I've watched some YouTubers filming our trains taking into Lo Wu, and but that's only one YouTuber, I think, said that if you go into Lo Wu but don't get off the train, that's totally fine. But if you get onto the platform, that is illegal because the platform is Lo Wu station, and you get onto Lo Wu station, you step into the closed area. But when you don't get off the train, you're still on the train, then that's totally fine. I don't know whether that's true or not, but he actually stayed at the back of the train without the guards actually in the middle of the platform. He dodged all of the guards, so that's why. Maybe he got lucky there, but it's very scary. No one will go into Lo Wu. Except for grey sweeping. But there should not be a lot of people going to grey sweeping. If they go to grey sweeping, they're mostly just gonna get off at Fanling because they go to Shek. For Sandy Ridge, the people staying in Sandy Ridge are just like died for over 60, 70 years. But for Shek, it's like around 20 to 30 years, so. Let's see if I can see any buses out there, which is the special routes. I'm not seeing any. Oh, this is actually very, very worrisome because I'm not seeing any routes out there. Any bus route that says something something S. You guys have not watched the last time in Tuen Mun. Those are more safer because they are really having regular service on grey sweeping days. But for these are kind of meh. I saw a bus out there. That's just a shuttle bus, coaches, not a real not a KMB bus. Oh gosh, our train on the outside. Here is Fanling, ready to get off. This door will open, so we'll get off here. I actually said I will go over to the other car, but we'll go over to the other car and get off. 请小心月台的空隙。Please mind the gap. And Fanling, let's go over to the other car and get off. I want to go through the sliding door. It's actually very fun. Do I need to slide on my own? Why it's not open? Oh, need to click over here. There we go. You need to click on the button in order to get the door open. Fanling EAL R-Train. Here's Fanling. Another first class experience. This time with an R-Train, last time it's an MRR. Last time it's a full journey on an MRR, so that's why. Why there are 3 consecutive low trains? It should be a 2+1 system, but why is 3 consecutive low? That's kind of weird. Why is consecutive 3 lows? Adding the platform gates. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Follow my Instagram, bus channel, and the gaming channel. Link is in the description. Go check all those out. Click every single link in the description, so that's basically what you should do. Click on these videos up top. And I'll see you guys in the bus channel. Peace!